Hello everybody, this is the BLBcuber. Welcome back to another video. So today we'll be doing 12 solves on the Valk M. So Valk M is a new cube from Chi that they released fairly recently, and today I'm just going to be doing an average of 12 on it. I did do a quick warm up too, so hope they can get some pretty decent times, and I also do apologize for not uploading in quite a while. I've just been kind of busy with some other things, but other than that I will be getting back to my normal schedule again for video uploads. I have some very fun videos planned for the next few days here, such as reviews, unboxings, and I also have a live stream on Thursday I'll be doing. But other than that, I'm just gonna get right into a video and start solving. Okay, so other than that, let's just get right into a video. I'm gonna do the average 12 on the Valk M now, so this should be very fun. I'm a little bit out of practice with the Valk M though, and I have not used it in quite a while. I did just warm up on it, so I should be able to get some decent times. And I do also apologize again for not uploading in quite a while. I just kind of took a little break, but I'm just going to stop talking now, and I'm just going to get right into average. So, let's just start solving. Okay, so let me just do this algorithm here. Hopefully I can get some pretty good times. I have been keeping up on my SpeedCubing practice, so this should be pretty nice here. Oh, and this is a weird solve. Bad F2O, I got a corner flip. Okay, so that was a pretty bad time there. Hopefully I can get something better the next solve here. Just mix it up again. And I think I was just rushing into it too fast, so that's what I need to fix. Okay. One thing I don't like about this cube is it is a little bit locky with the setup I have right now. 19.81, it's not the worst, but definitely want to get some better times than that. Also, make sure to subscribe if you also enjoy cubing reviews, because I do have some very fun cubes ordered that I will be reviewing on this channel as well. So that's definitely going to be really fun. Okay, 13.48, that's getting better. If I could get a 13.4 something average, that'd be really nice. Don't think it's gonna happen, but definitely be really cool. B or 2, B2, B, D. Okay. I don't know what that was. It's bad turning there. Just need to get used to like the locky feeding of the Valk M. It's not really like a locky feeding, it's just kind of like a really heavy snapping feeding. I was actually going to make a review on this originally, which I probably still will. It's just some of my clips got corrupted from the original review video, so that's why there's no review video for this cube on my channel. It's honestly kind of sad, but I will be doing just a review and my thoughts on it. Which I really like the cube, it's just it's not my main for a few reasons. Oh, there's an NPM there. It's not the easiest algorithm to do, but it's definitely really fun. I just learned on NPM a few months ago. It definitely is a pretty long algorithm though. It's pretty much just a JPM though and a few extra moves, so it's not that bad. thing I need to get better at is quick F2L recognition. Also, I do apologize for not doing the Thursday live streams either. I will be getting back to those as well. I've completely forgot this one PO algorithm that I keep running into. I forget exactly what it's called, but I definitely do need to relearn it, and I think that will improve my averages. This is just a pretty bad average right now, to be honest. It's not as bad as my practices were going. I have gotten a few decent times though, so it's pretty good. .98, pretty nice. This will be my 10th solve here, so there's 2 more after this. I think I might be able to pull it together and get something decent actually if I can get a few good times here. Let's see. Okay, if I were to move, that's not gonna work. .56, not the worst. I think I actually might be able to fix my average of 12 here. It's just I have a lot of 19-second times in here, so that might hurt my average quite a bit. This is a really lucky cross solution. .90, I was able to pull that together. Not quite as well as I wanted to, but still, at least it's not like a 20 or a 19. There's gonna be the last solve here. Or I don't know if this is actually the last solve, I didn't see there. Okay, so that was the average of 12, so I got an 18.70 second time for my average of 12, which honestly I'm not the least not happy about, so that's definitely a pretty decent average for me. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed these solves, and that's my average of 12, so 18.70 for the average of 12 and 17.44 for my average of 5. So I do plan to solve this cube more in the future, but other than that, those are all my solves for this video.